August ni khat sang ni som ni paruk ani CIA le Mossad te hianin Ayatollah Ali Khamenei Iran Supreme Leader thita afapa Mojtaba Khamenei hi zon chuatu min tuna hianin an be me kani hepa Mojtaba Khamenei hi chu a in thup thiam ang reng khop mai aron in lar thadu lo ang reng khop maya ami apa Ayatollah Ali Khamenei an vuina te pokhanin kar khat don chuang zet kha an vui ani Iran lampang khan mo mutur kha ommu mal lo reng reng mai ni hepa hi a in thup thiam khop a biru thiam khop mai a chan chu anun na hi a der thong em ni ti hi ama po henin a thiam ve aniang riekila.
Moving on now, one of the world's most advanced spy agencies, the CIA and Mossad, are chasing a man they just cannot find.
Kha tak kha nia an mulei thei bik lo ni CIA le Mossad te hian mo hei ta hi a in thup thiam om mang he o ka te chan chu CIA le Mossad te khovela intelligence agency bon ber per te ji ga mi bon ber pani ti la kan soi sual tuk lawang chu tro he mi te CIA le Mossad po hianin Mojtaba Khamenei hi a opna chin hi zu khan thre thei bik mi lawa an biru thiam o sin mo.
Despite cutting edge surveillance, the search for Iran's supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei has reportedly turned into a quest where technology is falling short and human intelligence is taking the center stage.
Ama chuanin mi an chui don chuan mi te hi an zot kwal thida ni mana chuan khating khanin an hanin zot kwala a chuta chuan om mai thei khating ang information pui mo deu kha an han gather kwala an han lakhoma chumi mang chuan mi khan han chui chuak thina ni amaro chu khovelan ron chang kang le dewa technology lama khan sak tel tela min phone a khoi chang te IP address a chang te khating vela chang khanin in chui chu kha ul sam to em mai ani tu nang technology thatak tak mang phei hi chuan mo ma se khovel achang kang to a technology po advance to khop mai ol sam taka chui chuak thei tur chu an ni CIA le Mossad po hian amaro chu hetiang technology chang kang tak tak mang po hianin he Mojtaba Khamenei hi an chui chuak thei lawa technology chang kang tak tak om ma ami an lo chui chua dan anga khanin an le le ani CIA le Mossad te hi mo ka ti khanin technology mangin an chui chuak thei lo phot chumin huwa chuanin atira anti dan nga ya khanin misang sang khatiang khanin han zot ko le ta ani a omna in threm ni chuanin poisa kan pe ang cheu te pon ti mai thei ani khatiang kha ani tuna an din huna hi Tom and Jerry ang vel ani amaro chu Jerry hi abiru thiam khop mai.
According to reports, Mossad and the CIA are trying to determine two crucial facts. Is Mojtaba Khamenei alive? And if so, where is he hiding?
CIA le Mossad te hianin Adam nge thi ti pon thelo ni tuna hian ti khop chuanin abiru thiam ani Adam ani chuanin khoya nge a om na mun hi an thelo mop thei amak ang reng khop mai Mossad te phei chu intelligence an bon te reng nen.
The reports claim
chuanin report china talan dan chuan mo Mojtaba Khamenei hianin thanga chung te meu mai phone a khoi lowa laptop a khoi lowa electronic device reng ama an chui theina tur hrim hi ama hena kol lo boka a mang du lo boka ni han ngai tu ma te tu nang khovel chang kang to taka phei chuan an nunan se om dan tu chu ti mai la adam kho chuana ni nangai box ye he thi le hi chu karen an om lowa phone a thidona kan han buai kan han mang an thei je ro power lam mi te han dema khatiang kho vel a chiang kha kan ni to nei awar chei thanga chung zet mai phone khoi lo laptop a mang lo boka turu khop mai
Mojtaba has avoided using phones, laptops and other electronic devices for nearly 5 months.
Khatiang a thanga chung te meu mai electronic device reng a khoi lo awang khanin intelligence agencies CIA le Mossad te po hianin an chui chuak thei bik lo ani a om na hi mo.
Denying intelligence agencies the digital trail they normally rely on.
Phone emalo mang zeu pal chu ni se ol sam don lu tuk chui chu mo amaro chu an chui chuak thei lo ni om na hi khoi mon ni tang kar vela puk vela te pon lo biru mai thei ani ama hi mo.
According to reports, messages are being passed through multiple couriers to Mojtaba, with each person allegedly carrying only a small part of the communication chain.
Heu a han turu ve Mojtaba an hena information an pek du chuan mi pakhat mai ni lo mi tam tak tiang khanin an in lan chong thin ani message kha na khaya heta te po hianin mi tam tak an in hlan chon na lama hian mo karin dan chuanin tian chu chuan a shrilanga to pa Mojtaba an va shrilang ti ani ka ring lo ke chuan chu chuan a shrilanga chu mi avashil chuan mi pahnih a hril chhawng a mo khatiang khanin mi pahnih a hril khan ti khanin a in tender anga chuanin khate pokha in tender le the atopa chuanin mi pakhat chi khanin Mojtaba kha avashil tak takang tiang khanin an kalpui ka ringlet he hianin chui chu a har a ti har viewani ka ring each person carries only a small part of the communication chain mo makes it extremely difficult to trace the final destination chui chu chu har vet viewang technology advanced to sia an chui chuak theidon tak ngela an hriat awangin hetiang hianin hmanlai ang khan annung le tina ani de uber mai iran lampang hi chumo.
Intelligence experts say this method makes it extremely difficult to track the final destination or identify the people involved.
Katianga mi chi sang khamene ya sil tura an hanin tir kwal na vela khanin tu tenge tel tu tenge nam hoi engtin nge khami a flow kha akal ti te po kha sheta harvie wa intelligence tan.
Now the shift is significant because cyber operations reportedly played a major role in tracking Iran's previous supreme leader and Mojtaba's father Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, who died in US-Israeli strikes on 28th of February, in which Mojtaba Khamenei is believed to be gravely injured.
Ayatollah Ali Khamenei kha ani ero kha chu an chui chok ol sam khop mai ni US le Israel te hian mo tin ama po kha thi turanga han in ngai ve de unge ni an ramta na martar turanga han in ngai ve top mai ya Ayatollah Ali Khamenei Mojtaba Khamenei ya pa hi mo ti chuan khami US le Israel ten February ni som ni pariata Ayatollah Ali Khamenei an tha chum khan Mojtaba Khamenei hianin hliam na tak atur ani ti kha report a om tel bokani.
Now to track Ali Khamenei, Israel and US reportedly hacked traffic cameras in Tehran to spot the vehicles used by the former supreme leader's bodyguards and associates.
CIA Mossad te hianin Tehran a hianin camera arukin an nei a heng atang hianin heng camera atang te hianin Ayatollah Ali Khamenei hi a om na vel te po hi an lo thui ru char to ani ti chuan Anrin dan chuan Mojtaba Khamenei hianin ama ang double kan ti ang chi himo ama ang amar zo ama ni silo ang chi te kha khatiang te po kha amang te po ni the ni ti kha ngai dan o mega ni to na
This time, however, electronic surveillance has produced few answers. Instead of cyber surveillance, investigators now reportedly believe the breakthrough may come from people on the ground.
Yeah, khatiang ani to lo kha chuanin ngai na am to lon lo I cyber intelligence manga track the ni lo chuanin amuna mi te atang chawin I kha Mojtaba Khamenei om na hi an thei don an biru thiam ang rang kha mai hethi le chu an ngai to lok na sa ani ka
Allegedly forcing agencies to depend on human sources and informants inside Iran. Now, the mystery behind Mojtaba Khamenei's whereabouts has only deepened with recent public appearances linked to the regime. Funeral visuals of Ali Khamenei and the presence of Khamenei's family members have fueled speculation, while Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian has claimed he personally met the injured supreme leader and said he was recovering well.
Nia katakania February ni somni pare nu khanin an mu le lawani pa ai takhian mo amaro chu Iran president hianin mi mal takin ka famhuwa tuna chuanin thadama pan me kani te kha chu ti vele thawani Iran president hian amaro chu a in lan lo lutuk le February ni somni pare nu mu ani lawa wang he mi tam tak chuanin a thi to mon le te khan ti hiala ma se president te khanin te khan ala thilo te antia chuanin a kha to khian aron om le zeu thin social media vela hian Mojtaba Khamenei an order pe chu tiang khatiang ti kha aron om vele zeu thin ani chu wan chuanin ala thi chu ka ring chi alawa CIA Mossad te po hian la zong na sa ang reng khop maya.
At the same time, some experts have raised the possibility of body doubles, while others continue to question whether Mojtaba is alive at all. Now, investigators are reportedly focusing on possible underground shelters, including locations in Tehran and near the holy city of Qom.
Tehran ko pui bulvela hianin le hnuaya hianin abiru ani ringpol an tamani mo.
In fact, according to experts, Israel allegedly faced the exact same problem while trying to find Israeli hostages held by Hamas in Gaza.
Israel te po hianin tuna buaina ang chia hi amai nan lo tok to Gaza Hamas ten Israel te hostage anga an lak teu tum khan Israel si pai te hianin Israel mi le sa te kha an vazong mulok theilo ani khatiang problem kha an lo ma chon to a khatiang har san na kha an lo ma chon to tu na hianin Mojtaba khamene om na hi an thre theilo wa tu na Mojtaba khamene om na an thre theilo ang hi ama po hanin an lo ma chon to ani ho a chan chu phone te laptop te an mang si lawa to men jeri ang dewa ni hem biru thiam khop me a jeri hin la mu theilo ni to ma te hian mo to ma te hi CIA le Mossad te an ne jeri hi Mojtaba khamene ai biru xie ga ni de uber mai tu na ri hi chuan mo tu na hen an zong na sa ani ma se la mu theilo video lại hi mu le theu do ne